The AMD Infinity Hub contains a collection of advanced software containers and deployment guides for HPC and AI applications, enabling researchers, scientists, and engineers to speed up their time to science. The Infinity Hub enables users to get access to an assortment of AMD hardware-optimized tools to aid developers to progress designs quickly. Items on the main hub landing page are presented as tiles that contain a description of the application along with links to user guides and containers. User guides contain information about the recommended AMD hardware to run with the software, instruction on how to run the application, and in some cases, expected performance along with links to ready-to-use containers. In a few cases, the user can download the container directly from the tile, and that is possible on tiles that have the pull tag button, which is located next to the user guide button. A feature of the Infinity Hub is that it allows users to sort by category. The categories range from benchmarks and AI to detailed HPC applications like computational chemistry. Your eye might be drawn to the second sort category, containers available. And in that sort function, you see there are public and private containers available. Now, private does not mean it is not available to the public, but does require a new other steps to be completed before you can access those user guides and containers. If you are interested in one of the application models or benchmarks that are categorized as private, select the user guide link and you will be directed to a login page where you can log in with your AMD.com account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on Create Account in the top right corner. To create an account, please provide your first and last name, email address, location, and preferred language. After you create your account, click on the private user guide and fill out the request form. Once the form is submitted, click on the link to access the private user guides on the Infinity Hub. You will also find details about running the containers and links to the Docker image to download the containers. Now let's try a public container. I will start with our latest AI-focused tile VLLM. The user guide provides a lot of useful information. It starts with a description of the model, the hardware that is optimized to run on, a list of what is contained in the Docker image package, and a link to the Docker image that can be downloaded. In addition, the user guides provide how to run and configure the system to achieve optimal performance, along with instructions on how to reproduce benchmarks and references to learn more about achieving optimal performance. Now, if the user knows all of this or would like to proceed straight to using the Docker, then you can simply select the pull tag and it will allow you to copy and paste the container directly into the system you want to use the model in. Lastly, the Hub has a link to the application catalog. In the catalog, you can view a list of the applications that various AMD teams have worked on to ensure they function properly with AMD hardware. The application catalog has a long list of applications that you might not find on the Infinity Hub tile page. If you find an application in the catalog you would like to see as a tile, let us know. The Infinity Hub is constantly expanding and new tiles are added regularly. If you don't find what you need now, keep checking back or provide us feedback about what you would like to see added. Thank you for watching the AMD Infinity Hub introduction. Visit the Hub today and try it out for yourself.